Where people get stuck, as I mentioned earlier, you can file for divorce. You can serve your spouse. You can do the proof of service. After that, things get real. Things get tricky. Disclosures. What do you have to fill out? The judgment package, the settlement agreement. People get confused on what's the settlement, what's the judgment, or they'll say we don't have any assets or debts, we don't have any kids, so we don't have a settlement agreement. You do. Your settlement agreement says no assets, no debts, no kids, no alimony, no nothing. You still have to have a settlement agreement. I see people turn in their judgments. They turn in that FL 180. It says judgment on it, so it sounds like that's the judgment, and they'll turn that 2-page form in, and that's it. Well, that's going to obviously get rejected because it doesn't have the property declaration or the property order or the spouse support order behind it, which at a minimum is required. And if there's kids, you need to have the custody order and the child support order. But they'll say, Tim, why would we turn in a custody order or a property order or a spouse support order if we don't want any of that? Because the answer is because on those forms, you're going to say on the spouse support order, I don't want spouse support. And you're going to put on the property order, we have no property divide. And on the custody order, you're going to say joint legal and physical at a minimum. And the child support order, you're going to say, we don't want any. Now, I super simplified that part of it. There's certain language and it has to be done a certain way and so forth. There's other procedural documents that go along with that. But, I really do feel like I'm the matrix when it comes to doing this. I'm not, I do feel I'm very good at my job. I'm not going to say I'm the best, even though maybe I feel that way. But after doing this 12 years and, it's only amicable divorce case, not like I'm handling complex trials or going to court, talking about the law, giving testimony in front of a judge and all that. I'm talking from a purely procedural nature. I can look at your paperwork and know in 5 seconds exactly what's wrong with your case. And no matter what, if you guys are amicable, I can take care of your case. I can finalize it, whether you start on your own, you need me to take over and fix everything, or you want me to help you from scratch. I can handle your divorce case anywhere in California.